now I can go ahead and start filling them with our overlays. Now for this video, I'm going to go ahead and utilize overlays from streamdesigns.com. They have tons of animated overlays you can go ahead and choose from. For this example, I'm going to go ahead and utilize the Pixel World pack, and you can see that the Pixel World pack is going to give us everything that we need to make our stream look professional, from our countdown timer to our starting soon, to our be right back, to our stream offline, to our just chatting. So you can go ahead and I'll put a link in the description of this video for Stream Designs. And then I'm also going to go ahead and get a countdown timer. So the countdown timer is not included inside of the package. So I'm going to go ahead and get the matching countdown timer for Pixel World that we're going to utilize here today. So once you go ahead and have your overlay selected, we'll come back here to Streamlabs. We'll come to Sources. It's a little plus icon. And now the Pixel World pack is going to give us right back. Press done. We're going to add another one. Default, you'll have this one named Scene. We'll right click, we'll click rename, and we'll go ahead and name this back, etc. And then your sources are going to be the things included in those scenes, like your overlays. So let's go ahead and set up all of our scenes first. So by default, you'll have this one named Scene. We'll right click, we'll click rename, and we'll go ahead and name this starting soon. We'll press done. And first we'll set up all our scenes, then we'll start filling it in the sources. So the next one we're going to go ahead and add here is going to be our countdown timer. Press done. Then we're going to add another one, and we're going to name this here Be Right Back. Press done. We're going to add another one here as well. We're going to name this here Stream Offline. We'll press done here, and then we're going to go ahead and add here our click and start out for the overlays from streamdesigns.com. They have tons of animated overlays you can go ahead and choose from. For this example, I'm going to go ahead and utilize the Pixel World pack, and you can see that the Pixel World pack is going to give us everything that we need to make our stream look professional, from our countdown timer to our starting soon, to our be right back, from our to make our Pixel World pack. And you can see that the Pixel World pack is going to give us everything that we need to make our stream look professional, from our countdown timer to our starting soon, to our be right back, to our stream offline, to our just chatting. So you can go ahead and I'll put a link in the description of this video for Stream Designs. And then I'm also going to go ahead and get a countdown timer. So the countdown timer is not included inside of the package. So I'm going to go ahead and get the matching countdown timer for Pixel World that we're going to utilize here today. So once you go ahead and have your overlay selected, we'll come back here to Streamlabs. We'll come to Sources. It's a little plus icon. And now we're going to have two options here. If you're utilizing animated overlays, plus icon. And now we're going to have two options here. If you're utilizing animated overlays, you're going to want to use media file. If you're using static overlays, you're going to want to select image. Because these overlays are animated, I'm going to select media file. I'm going to click add source. And I'm going to name this start. I'm going to press add source, download it from Stream Design. So I'm going to click browse, download it first. It's on the right. If you're on it's like this, and then I'm going to want this to be able to loop, and then I'm going to hit soon. You can go ahead. We're going to select here add zip, or go ahead timer, and to the next is new one again. Back screen. We're going to go to media offline, be the end to see. So now you have your media file. I want you to go ahead and watch this video right here. It's that inside of Streamlabs. I'll see you guys in the next video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to go ahead and set up your gameplay scene inside of Streamlabs with adding your gameplay, your weapons. So we're going to want to add in our overlays. Now, for this example, I'm going to utilize overlays from streamdesigns.com, and I'll put a link in the description of this video. They have tons of animated overlays you can go ahead and choose from. And for this example,
do chat boxes, let's get into it. So first, just a very quick preview of how this actually works in practice. I've a theme. Assuming you've done that, look around and see. Put the Streamlabs, which is source that to quickly make your chat box. Like do by clicking these two options, you can add and on a clipboard, add source, and Streamlabs. Labs OBS, you've got two options at this point. You can either add it as a browser source, or if you're using Streamlabs OBS, you can simply add it as a widget, because the widgets are native and very well integrated with Streamlabs OBS. So the online cloud widgets work very well with the software if they're both Streamlabs. Otherwise, you're just going to use the copied URL as a browser source in the software if it's XSplit or if it's Stream Elements or whatever. So to do this, we simply click we need to locate sources, we click the plus icon. You can add it as a browser source here, add source, and then all we're doing is saying I want to set it as a new browser source. You can name the source, new test chat box. Click add source. By default it'll put a placeholder image of where that new source is. That's just a placeholder, so don't worry about that for now. It's literally just this image here. You need to paste in the browser source URL that you've copied from the settings we looked at earlier. You can set the height and the width and various other settings here. Normally the default settings are absolutely fine here. You can also set some custom CSS. Click done on that. That will now pull in the chat wall, and now if I do some chat here, for example, test, Machine Dana, you are the worst streamer ever. This will now come through. You can see on the other one, these are all the settings that we've already looked at.
Custom HTML. All right, to get started, and click on chat box. All right, once you're on the chat box page, it's time to set up your chat box. First, you're going to select which theme that you'd like. You have 5 to choose from. Once you've selected your theme, you can now select which badges will show up next to each person's name. You could select subscriber badges, Twitch Prime badges, also moderator badges and bit badges as well. Next, you can add extra emotes into your chat if you have set up Better TTV or 7TV or Franker Faces. Go ahead and select the box right next to each one. Select which badge on the All Widgets page. Go ahead and click on Chat Box. All right, once you're on the chat box page, it's time to set up your chat box. First, you're going to select which theme that you'd like. You have 5 to choose from. Once you've selected your theme, you can now select which badges will show up next to each person's name. You could select subscriber badges, Twitch Prime badges, also moderator badges and bit badges as well. Next, you can add extra emotes into your chat if you have set up Better TTV or 7TV or Franker Faces. Go ahead and select the box right next to each one. You can go ahead and skip background color because, as noted here, the background color is for preview purposes only. It won't even show on your streaming software. Next, you could select the color of your text in which you would want it to show up. Keep in mind that selecting a text color of white or black for you to realize is how on your those on which the chat delay. Everybody in your chat will see it. It'll give you 6 seconds to be able to delete something, just in case you've got somebody that's being a nuisance in your chat. Or if you have a real active chat and you just need time to moderate. If you'd like to disable animated emotes, you can right here. And then also you can hide bot commands right here. So if you have any Nightbot commands, Stream Element commands, or Streamlab commands, you can hide them all here by just selecting the box. And then you have the option to add muted chatters, and you can actually add banned words yourself as well. And then the final option is to add custom HTML. If you're a coder, just click enable, and then you're able to add it. Click to copy widget URL. Just click the copy button right here. You'll be prompted with a warning message to remind you not to share this copied link with anybody. Go ahead and click copy. All right, once you're in OBS, what you're going to want to do to add your chat is go ahead and click the plus sign under sources, and then select browser. Select create new and name it chat overlay. Then select OK. Under URL, we're going to paste the URL that we just got from Streamlabs dashboard. Then select OK. Once you've added your chat overlay, we can now test it out. Go ahead and open up your Twitch chat and type in a test. If the text is too small, you just head back to the Streamlabs dashboard and adjust the font size. Make sure you select Save Settings when you're done. Once you've got all of your chat settings proper, now it's time to adjust the size of your chat box so we can set it proper on your stream overlay. Go ahead and double-click chat overlay. What I'm going to do is make my chat box the exact same as my webcam box. So I'm going to open up your Twitch chat and click to copy widget URL. Just click the copy button right here. You'll be prompted HTML. If you're it's time to H. And under here where it says click to copy widget URL right here, you'll be prompted with a warning message to remind you not to share this copied link with anyone. All right, once you're in OBS, what you're going to want to do to add your chat is go ahead and click the plus sign under sources, and then select browser. select Create New and name it Chat Overlay. Then select OK. Under URL, we're going to paste the URL that we just got from Streamlabs dashboard. Then select OK. Once you've added your chat overlay, we can now test it out. Go ahead and open up your Twitch chat and type in a test. If the text is too small, you just head back to the Streamlabs dashboard and adjust the font size. Make sure you select Save Settings when you're done. Once you've got all of your chat settings proper, now it's time to adjust the size of your chat box so we can set it proper on your stream overlay. Go ahead and double click Chat Overlay. What I'm going to do is make my chat box the exact same as my webcam box. So I'm going to adjust the width until I get close to the right size. And then I can just kind of like right there. Now down here on the sources, I'm going to take my chat overlay and I'm going to put it under my camera. That way my camera is on top of the chat. So I could slide this chat underneath the camera right here. So you can now see that as people type, it kind of just goes up behind the webcam now. And then every 30 seconds, the chat disappears instead of staying stagnant. Also, you could see that one of my Nightbot commands just popped up and it did not show in here because we have it selected properly in the Streamlabs dashboard. Well, that's it, you guys. It's as